In this video, we will be discussing the settings and integrations for VoicePod.AI. When you go to the Settings tab, the first option you will see is Profile. This is crucial because when you conduct any tests involving your phone number, the AI agent will call your phone number. Therefore, it's important to enter the correct phone information here to effectively test inbound and outbound calls as well as WhatsApp. By default, the AI agent will call your number if you are performing a phone call test. For web call tests, it will use your number for actions like SMS, WhatsApp, or other related functions. The billing section is where you can view your account balance. The first thing you need to do is add a new card. This allows you to easily recharge your account from this space or enable auto recharge. To recharge, add your card information, click on Recharge, select your payment method, and specify the amount you would like to add by clicking on Add Credits. Once you confirm, your wallet will be recharged with the specified amount, which will be used for calling credits. You can see all your billing and payment details in this section. Additionally, you can enable auto recharge. For example, if your balance falls below a certain threshold such as $10, you can set it to automatically recharge by $50, $100, $200, or any amount you specify. This feature is particularly important when running campaigns, as it ensures your campaigns don't stop if your balance goes negative. The Manage Team section is where you can invite your team members. Enter their email addresses and assign them specific roles. The administrator and owner roles have full access, while the manager role does not have access to billing and the team collaboration space. To invite a team member, enter their email address, assign a role, and click on Invite. An email invitation will be sent to the specified address, inviting them to join your account as a team collaborator. The Calendar section is where you can create and manage your calendars. The process is straightforward. Click on Add Calendar, give it a name, select a time zone, and click Save. Once the calendar is created, it will appear in the list. You can then click on Availabilities to define when you want the AI agent to book calls for you. For example, if you want the AI agent to schedule calls only between 9 a.m. and 6 p.m. Monday to Friday, you can set that up here. This ensures the AI agent knows your availability. You can add additional availability by clicking on Add Availability and specifying the times you're available to take calls. Once you've set your availabilities, you'll be able to see all your appointments in the calendar. For example, if there's an appointment scheduled on the 3rd of May, it will appear in your calendar. As you run campaigns, the AI will set up appointments based on the contacts and lists you uploaded to the system. You can also add multiple calendars and assign different owners to each one for improved productivity. The Tag section is where you create and define tags to measure specific outcomes and actions for every call and contact. Tags help you categorize and track different responses efficiently. For example, if you want to track how many people say, "Don't call me back," you can create a tag labeled "Don't call me back." This tag will be available in your agent settings in the action space, allowing you to apply it to relevant contacts. You can then review your contact list to see how many leads have been tagged with "Don't call me back." This helps you understand the frequency of this specific request. Creating tags is simple, and you can always delete them if they are no longer needed. The Custom Fields section allows you to add more complex information to your contact list beyond the default fields like name, email, and phone number. This is useful for including additional details such as company information, address, or any other specific data you need. For example, if you want to include a field for date of birth, you can create a new custom field labeled date of birth and format it as a date. Once this custom field is created, it will appear in your list settings as an additional field. When importing your list, you can include the date of birth column and upload the specific information into your contact list. Custom fields enable you to define and include extra data that is crucial for your operations. These fields can also be used as variables in more complex automations through your agent or campaign settings, providing greater flexibility and customization. The final step is integration. Here, you can purchase a phone number by selecting the country and choosing from the available numbers. To order a phone number, click on Order Phone Number. Once you complete the purchase, the number will appear in your account. You can also connect your own number by clicking on Connect Phone and entering your number with the country code. After clicking on Order Phone Number, you will receive a one-time password for verification. Once you verify your phone number, it will be linked to your account and will appear in the list of available phone numbers. You can also connect your WhatsApp account here. To do this, click on Add WhatsApp and scan the QR code with your WhatsApp account. Once linked, your WhatsApp number will appear in the list. This feature is useful for sending WhatsApp messages during or after a call, allowing you to automate these actions in your agent settings. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching. If you have any other questions, feel free to check out our other videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you, and goodbye.